The Holy Stone HS720 drone is the perfect drone for filming because it boasts a 4K camera with 5G FPV transmission. It also offers features such as follow me mode, object tracking, and point of interest, which helps you create more creative video content. The HS720 drone also offers voice recording, which is ideal for adding narration and other features. The FPV is high quality and real-time, and the camera's auto-focusing allows you to capture the most stunning shots. The HS720 drone also comes with a GPS module and flight control systems that make it easy to control. It also comes with a built-in battery for up to 26 minutes of flight. The battery pack is filled with juice, and the FPV camera makes it easy to capture the best moments. The HS720 is easy to transport thanks to a carrying case. In addition, it has a battery life of up to 20 minutes, which is more than enough for a short flight. The Holy Stone HS720 drone features a GPS connection to ensure a safe flight. It can track its location and will fly back to you when the GPS signal is lost or its battery runs out. Users can also program the drone to follow a custom flight path. All you have to do is draw a path on the app and the drone will follow it. Once a path is drawn, the camera will be able to follow the path automatically. The Ruko F11 drone is one of the best-selling models in the UAV industry. This quadcopter with a camera is designed for adults and comes with a 4K UHD camera, 30 minutes of flight time, GPS return home, 2.9K video recording, and a degrees FOV lens for a wide field of view. There are also many other features of this model that make it an excellent choice for beginners. The drone is foldable and portable and has an inbuilt LCD screen for battery life. The Ruko F11 Pro is perfect for the beginner, with a good quality camera and a built-in GPS system that will guide it. The drone can fly in any direction and can even follow objects. It is a great drone for a beginner because it has a built-in camera, which can be used for aerial photography. This drone has GPS, which allows it to follow your position. You can control the drone from up to 37 feet away, and the GPS will allow you to fly in 360-degree circles. The GPS will also help you navigate from the aircraft to your landing area. And you can always get in touch with the manufacturer via email or text message. But remember that these features may not be for everyone. And if you're unsure of whether the Ruko F11 is the right drone for you, we recommend a cheaper option, the Ruko U11, which only has 300-meter flight range. The DJI Air 2s is a versatile drone that's the perfect choice for beginners and seasoned professionals alike. This all-in-one aerial powerhouse features a powerful CMOS camera, a wide-angle lens, and advanced autonomous functions. Its compact body weighs just 600 grams and lets you fly it easily and quickly. If you've ever wanted to try out aerial photography or filmmaking, the DJI 3D Vision Plus is an excellent option for both. The DJI Air 2s has upgraded obstacle sensors. It uses binocular zooming technology to recognize obstacles at a distance. It can also navigate autonomously around obstacles with an enhanced field of view than previous versions. The camera is equipped with an upward and four-way sensor to help identify obstacles. The drone also has a wide range of flight modes. This makes it easy to take stunning images, no matter what environment you are in. The Air 2s has a wide range of flight modes, including Sport and Sign mode. It has an even higher maximum speed in Sport mode than the Mavic 2, and its AI systems are more efficient. The compact size and feature set of the DJI Air 2s make it a good choice for travelers and outdoor adventurers. The Mavic series looks like a better option, but the price tag for the Mavic 2 Pro seems unjustified. The DJI Mavic Air 2 is a revolutionary drone that offers intelligent shooting functions and advanced features in a compact package. The camera has excellent image quality, and intelligent shooting functions help you create aerial masterpieces. The drone is also extremely safe to fly, which means that you can focus more on creating your aerial masterpiece. It is a great tool to use for both professional and amateur aerial photographers. Read on to discover how to get the most out of this advanced device. The Mavic Air 2 comes with a remote control for easy flight. It connects to a smartphone via a cable. You can use the remote to fly your drone. The controller can be a bit tricky to control, and the cable may fray over time. It is important to follow instructions carefully and ensure that the drone is not damaged before flying it. Besides these two features, the DJI Mavic Air 2 also features a GPS receiver and a high-resolution camera. The Mavic Pro both come with GPS capability, and the Mavic Pro has a built-in GPS. There are a few extras that can help you get the most out of your Mavic Air 2 drone flight. For one, the camera has a focus track feature that lets you draw a box around your subject. The camera will then lock onto the subject and follow it, maintaining a fixed distance and parallel. This feature is very useful for beginners who don't know what they're doing. The DJI Mini is a small, lightweight, camera-equipped drone that gives a unique perspective. At just over 2 pounds and less than the size of your hand, the DJI Mini 2 fits easily into your palm. If you're looking for a drone that gives you a great perspective, you can't go past the DJI Micro. You can get a lot of footage for your money with the DJI Micro. The DJI Mini 2 is compatible with 4K video recording. Its high-definition camera is protected by a removable camera guard and features an exposed microSD card slot. It also has a USB-C port for charging on the go. The DJI Fly app allows you to upload the full-resolution video and photo files. You can share your video clips on social media or send them to your friends. If you're in a hurry, the Mini 2 will save your footage in real time. The DJI Mini 2 drone offers many new features, including an improved camera and improved motors. This drone's top speed has increased to 16 meters per second, and it's rated for stronger winds than its predecessor. But because it's small and light, it's important to be careful when flying in windy conditions. It's best to stay firmly grounded if the wind is strong enough to flutter leaves.
Wow.